You put your plywood in. It's going to be fully supported. Okay, so in the last video I told you that if your subfloor is not tongue and groove and you're going to be installing ceramic or porcelain tile or even natural stone tile, you have to add blocking between the joints. I'm going to show you how to do that. If you have access from below, it's going to be a lot easier because you can just add it from below. If you don't have access from below, it's going to be a lot tougher and a lot more complicated. And but I'm going to show you how to add the blocking, what it actually means. So I cut a piece of 2x4. Could actually be strapping if you want to fit between the joists, and I put in a couple of screws, started some screws, and then I'm going to screw those down, and I'm going to end up with this. So let me do that. So I got one screw in over here. So now you put your plywood in. It's going to be fully supported. So I already put this one in, and I put one, I have to fill that hole over there. Okay, so I added a piece of 2x4 over there to support, to fill the hole and to support that seam over there in that corner. I'll add in that piece there. I'll fill that with a piece of foam because it's just to fill it in, because I'm going to be doing mud on top of here. And then I'll screw this all down and start doing the mud. Okay, so that's all in solid. Now I can do my mud.